Oh Lord, you have searched me, and you know me. You know when I sit and when I rise. You perceive my thoughts from afar. You discern my going out and my lying down. You are familiar with all of my ways. Before a word is on my tongue, you know it completely, Lord. You know it completely. You hem me in, behind and before. You have laid your hand upon me. And such knowledge, Lord, is too wonderful for me, too lofty for me to attain. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence, Lord? If I go up to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. If I rise on wings of the dawn, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me, and your right hand will hold me fast. If I say surely the darkness will hide me, and the light become like night all around me. Oh Lord, even the darkness will not be dark to you. The night will shine like the day. The darkness is as a light for you. Created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. Oh, and I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful, I know that full well. If I go up to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. If I rise on wings of the dawn, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me. And my frame was not hidden from you, Lord, but I was made in that secret place. When I was woven together, when I was woven together, in the depths of the earth, in the depths of the earth. With your eyes, they saw my unformed body. All the days ordained for me were written in your book. Before one of them came to be, they were ordained for me. They were ordained for me. To me are all of your thoughts, Lord. How vast is the sum of them. Were I to count them, they would outnumber the grains of the sand, the grains of the sand. When I awake, Lord, when I awake, Lord, I am still with you. I am still with you. I am still with you. I am still with you.